Everyone asks the same question about AI and their site. Is it even crawling me? Most people guess. The crawler log answers it with a record. Every time an AI bot hits your site, it logs which one and when. No theory, just the receipts. It identifies the crawlers by name, the same set you control in the AI crawler settings. GPT bot training. OAI search bot powering ChatGPT search. Perplexity bot, Claude bot, Google extended. You see who's showing up, how often, and how many distinct bots have visited, so AI traffic stops being a vibe and becomes a number. It keeps the history, so you see the last 7 days against the last 30. When a new crawler shows up for the first time, you notice. When your traffic from search crawlers climbs after you fix your structure, you can point at the line that proves it worked. This is the proof half of the whole plugin. You open the crawlers up, you fix your content, you publish your lms.txt, and then you come here to confirm the bots are actually arriving and coming back. Effort in, evidence out. The crawler log is free in AEO God mode. Search AEO God mode under Add New Plugins, install it, and within days you'll see exactly which AI engines are crawling your site. No card, no trial. See the receipts at aeogodmode.io.